her. Oh. Yeah, look. Look, man. So they got her latched where she can't run away. Yeah. Look at that one. Hopping on her nose.
You're welcome to, or I walk in front next to the pony's face. So whatever you're ready to. Oh, this side, baby. This side. Hold on, just a minute, baby. Your pony's name is Bandit, okay?
Yeah, you get to ride your first pony. Yeah, you get to ride your first pony.
Alright, we can have one person walk with you, and if the extra person wouldn't mind just waiting up by the side, that'd be great.
Mimi's gonna come out here.
All right.
Your pony's name is Graham Crackers. Remember it?
She mostly do with Mama.
You're all right. Mama's gonna video it.
Here we go.
Hold on.
Woohoo! You having fun?
Oh, we don't mind. I'll put this on YouTube for her.
Oh, yeah. Abby, look.
Does everyone remember their pony's name? Alright, if I call out your pony's name, raise your hand. Who's riding Jake? Good job. Who's riding Pumpkin?
Raise your hand.
Yay, good job. Who's riding Bandit? Good job. Who's riding Graham Crackers? Woohoo! You guys are awesome.
That's my niece and my mother-in-law. On Pumpkin the pony.
Well, he was, but I think she's doing such a good job.
Since I paid $10, she had to go in there and pet animals. But I had to go in there with her anyway, so.
Yeah.
So she don't accidentally hurt them.
I just did on your pony name. And you guys did
She likes that.
I know she would. All little girls and boys like pony rides.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, it might broke me, but that's alright. That's my niece.
We got her some more tickets.
Yay!
Alright, let's go to the pony.
Give me 5. Thanks for riding.
Tell her thank you.
Alright, come on. You gotta go to petting zoo. You let me ride you. Come on. Out this way. Now you gotta go to petting zoo. Take another spot.
Mom.
Your bag, Dad.
You did
Yeah,
great.
that's for her bag.
Don't forget to get your petting zoo.
Come here.
Go in the pet zoo. Go on your petting zoo.
Huh?
You gotta.
Go back to your goats and stuff.
That's right.
Go pet your goats. Hold on, baby.
Hold on, so he can get the door.
Look at there. Look at the rabbits. I know what April will get. I was
Go
telling
in.
her when she got home, she was going to have to tend to her baby. So that's how she,
That one?
you know who that makes me think of?
Be gentle. Be
The
gentle.
only rule is you can't pick them up.
Put it down, baby. You can't pick them up, baby. Come on.
You can pet him.
Put them all you want. There's no time limit. Just in case you pick them up and one scratches you.
Yeah, or accidentally squeeze it too hard.
Yeah, liability.
Abby, look at
Yeah. Don't want to hurt the animals. Or get hurt.
They didn't let you
Believe it
touch
or not, all these are pretty tough. Like the goats are indestructible.
Look at it. I like that one, but the little miniature. That's what I want. Like that. No.
Yeah.
No, you can't pick it up. Look, there's a pig. There's a pig.
Coming
Look.
in?
Right here. See the pig?
Is it the pig?
Look at that.
Hey,
The
Blondie,
two
move.
piggies. There's another rabbit. Look, where you just at? Oh, look at that
I have to open
one.
it that way. Step over.
He don't want to get up. He's lazy too.
All right, Abby.
This is the most shade because this is where most people stand.
Yeah.
They're smart.
Oh yeah.
They know where to go.
Where's that goat, baby?
Did you pet the pig?
Yeah, she pet the pig. Okay, that's a goat. You can pet it. Yeah, you can pet it.
There's a duck chicks.
There's a duck. We got them at home. We got duckies at home. All right, you ready to go do something else?
Yeah.
Hold on.
Hold on.
You let that goat out.
The goat won't go anywhere.
Tell him thank you.
Well,
Stop.